Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. This video is not about my makeup tutorial, any looks, any challenges. This video is my DIY skincare routine where I have kept aloe vera as the main agent. So without any further ado, let's move on to the video. Before heading to the video, I would like to share you the things which I will be using for this video. Is this aloe vera which is extracted from plant. Second is this honey, dabur honey, and the third is this glycerine which you will be getting at any cosmetic stores, any medical stores and so on. And this other thing is this aloe vera gel which is 100% natural and is homemade. And the other is this rice flour. I have taken this much of rice flour, and this rose water which is also homemade, and I haven't bought it from any store. This is 100% natural and homemade. And last is this vitamin E capsule. So let's keep on watching the video. The very first step is cleansing. I will be taking aloe vera and honey for this. Aloe vera has an antibacterial properties that can help control and reduce acne-causing bacteria. Secondly, honey is a natural antibacterial agent and is a natural preservative, which means it works as an anti-aging agent as well. It is both slightly astringent and humectant, which means it is moisturizing, which helps to regulate the skin's production of sebum, that is our skin's naturally occurring oil. It also preserves the skin's acid mantle and regulates the skin's pH balance. I will be massaging it all over my face and neck, and then I will be washing it off. I have just washed my face after giving a good massage for 10 to 15 minutes and wiping it with a clean towel. The very second step is scrubbing. I will be taking a fresh bowl for this, and I will be using aloe vera gel, rice flour and honey. And as you know, honey is antibacterial as well as aloe vera gel. Rice flour has amazing absorbing properties which help to soak up the excess oil from the skin, thus reducing the chances of blocked pores and pimples. Excess oil buildup on the skin makes the face look dark. Rice flour absorbs the extra oil and freshens up the skin. I'm mixing those ingredients nicely, and I will be applying it on my face and neck and giving a good massage for 10 to 15 minutes. I've just washed my face after giving a good massage for 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm just wiping it off with a clean towel. The very third step is toning. I will be taking aloe vera gel and rose water for this. Rose water has an anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin. It also helps in getting rid of acne, dermatitis and eczema. Eczema is an itchy inflammation of the skin. It is a great cleanser and aids in removing oil and dirt accumulated in clogged pores. Mixing those two ingredients nicely, I will be taking a tissue and I will be having it nicely on my face. And I won't be washing it off because the next step is moisturizing. The last step is moisturizing. I will be taking aloe vera gel, glycerine, vitamin E capsule and rose water. Glycerin is an excellent moisturizer for your skin and helps maintain the pH balance of your skin and has healing properties and can act as a natural medicine. And vitamin E is an anti-aging benefit, complements your SPF and keeps hydrated and calm. It reduces sun damage and reduces the appearance of scar and moisturize your skin. I'm mixing those ingredients nicely and I will be applying it all over my face. So this was my DIY skincare routine using this natural product. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. For more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.